Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we're going to be diving into 10 simple mods that you can do for your 4th generation Toyota Tacoma. These 10 simple mods completely level up your 4th generation Tacoma. All of them DIY friendly. From functional upgrades to hidden features Toyota forgot to tell you about, this is your ultimate 4th generation Tacoma simple mod list. Let's do this. Let's start with one you'll feel every day. The bed step. Toyota wants you to drop hundreds on their OEM solution. Amazon has a cheaper solution for the same thing for just under $100, but there's a problem. If you have the tow hooks installed for both the OEM and Amazon versions, you will have to remove this tow hook. There is an even cheaper alternative that will allow you to keep your tow hook. This $12 foldable step. Watch this. It gives you an easy step into the bed, and honestly, I like my tow hooks. How would you like to be able to do this with your Tacoma? And be able to turn off that annoying seatbelt reminder, have a better OBD2 scan tool than what the dealership has. Oh yeah, do you want to avoid subscription plans too? This is the Launch C Reader Elite 2.0T. It does not require subscription. It has more than just an OBD2 scanner. You can set settings on any Toyota or Lexus. Other manufacturers are available too. It is fast and responsive. First time you use this, you definitely want to apply all the updates. From what I can tell, it looks like it's an Android operating system. So essentially, we plug in, and it looks like a standard serial port, the back of a computer, and then you've got a charging USB-C port over here on the back. But essentially, you plug this in, tighten it up, and take the end off, plug it into the OBD2 port, and then there's a power button right here. Turn it on. There is an alternative to this, and it's Carista. And what Carista does, you can do the same thing with the settings. The only problem with Carista is that it requires a subscription. And with this, it does not require a subscription, and it's a lot better than what the TechStream OBD2 scanners that the dealership has. So you can see here, it's going to scan my VIN. I don't even have to enter it in. It would just automatically detect it. And I'll choose 16-pin DOC, North America, and that's it right there. Scan the vehicle data, generating a health report, so you can see no fault codes. Let's go in here under diagnose, and we want to go under Toyota, pin DLC. Right here, you want to go down to customize setting, so you can actually control what's going on here. Wireless unlock twice function, that's enabled. Power window down with transmit function. So this is how you get it to work from the remote key fob, is that by default this is disabled. You can click set, and then you can disable it or enable it. And what you do is you push the unlock button for 2.5 seconds and it will roll down all your windows. Driver seatbelt warning buzzer function, I have it turned off, so I could actually go down the road without my seatbelt on and the truck not getting mad at me. But if you want it for safety reasons, go ahead and by default it's turned on, and you can just click the set button. You can turn it back on or turn it off. I'm going to leave mine off because it's just too annoying. And you can do the passenger seatbelt, the same thing, and I've done that for the passenger side as well. And you can do also the rear right, rear left, and rear center. Complete customization of how you want your truck to run. But not only that, and it can give you actual live diagnostics as well. Oh, and interesting. So if you've got it plugged in via the OBD2 through the serial, it will start charging the battery for the scanner as well. If you don't have one, I would get one, just to set the settings of how you want your truck to run. Completely mod it out. We're going to talk about the driver side storage, the secret cubby. I got all the OEM things you could get except for one. This tool that Toyota just came out with that goes perfectly here. the dash side storage multi-tool, part number PT420-35240. If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real-world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. So the first thing is, if you take this out, you're going to notice a QR code on the back. What that's going to lead you to is a OEM Toyota parts website that you can get up to 20% off all Toyota OEM parts. So for this cubby hole, I got a side organizer. It was about 35 bucks. You can see the part number there. And all it is a little retainer clip that you can twist something on in there. And you just stick this in right like that. That's all it is. Is it worth it? I don't know. This is the OEM white. This is the IP side lantern kit. So you get the lantern. Retail full price, it's about 200 bucks for this. The dealership I went through, it was about 100. Is it worth it? I don't know. Remove, you go this way, pull it out, and look at this. This is the same thing as the side organizer. So if you go and you get the lantern kit, you get this one as well with the lantern. So all in all, this is 35. This is about 70. Is it worth it? I don't know about that, but it does have a lot. But you can dim it, and then it can go all red, then turn it off. But installation of this is easy. Stick that in there. You're done. In order to remove this, you turn it clockwise. It's very easy on these arms here that you pull out of which way to go, and it says to go this direction. Pull it out, and then there you got it. Put it back in, and then turn it counterclockwise to put it back in. But you want to use these arms to do it. There, nice and snug. Now, where in the world should you mount this first aid kit that came with your Tacoma? Where? It's easy. It's got Velcro on the back. Essentially, best place to mount it I found is over here on the passenger side front. Just put it right up there, and it's not coming off. Easy. Next up is this TPE all-weather tailgate liner and protector. It adds grip, protection, and gives your truck a clean, rugged look. It installs in minutes and protects your tailgate from scratches when you toss gear in. Even if you have a bed mat, it won't protect your tailgate. You need this. Taking a T27 torque socket, remove the screws on your tailgate. And take a heat gun or hairdryer and flatten out the liner. You can also let it sit out in the sun for a while. Once done, using a power driver, take the same screws and screw the tailgate liner to your tailgate. Easy and done. Let's talk multi-purpose. This universal Hitch skid acts as a rear step, trail armor, and bumper protector all in one. Compared to 300 plus setups like body armor or C4 Fab, this thing's a steal. You'll thank yourself the first time your bumper doesn't need a rock crawling out on a trail, not to mention someone rear-ending your taco. And we won't mention those family members or friends who might accidentally back into something. You need this. Now, I would expect this to get scratched up if taking it off on the trail, but you can easily take care of that by getting some Rust-Oleum and just painting it black again down here at the bottom. If you have been looking for a hitch pin for your 4th generation Tacoma and haven't been able to find one, this is what you want. This is a longer hitch pin, 5/8 inch, and it is lockable. It is longer than most hitch pins, and it comes with some extra O-rings here. It does come with a 1-year warranty on the lock surface and a lifetime warranty on the lock function. We'll take out the one that came with the truck here. Then we'll just put this through, all the way through. That does fit real good and snug there. Let's go ahead and put our clip in. Just put this on the end, push it to lock it in place, and then cover it up. Next up is a two-parter. The center console mod options. First up is a MOLLE panel. Simply remove your existing screws and then screw in the MOLLE panel and mount your gear. The next part to the center console is another option, a secret storage compartment. Simply screw in with the supplied hardware and place your gear into the storage compartment. For the next simple mod, I had one of these badges that I picked up from Yoda Tribe on my 3rd gen, but I didn't know which one to go for my Trailhunter. I was thinking about this one, but I'm leaning towards this one now. But anyway, I got choices, so if I don't like one, I can easily take it off. Let's see what it looks like. I think this one looks better with the underground color. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Installation is easy. Go ahead and place the plastic retainer on first. Then place the washer and nut on the right side. Once done, put the right side through the grill, and I found the best place is the far right. And place the left screw through the plastic retainer, then put your washer and nut on, and hand tighten. You can use an 8mm swivel combo wrench to tighten even more if needed, and then just slide it to the right. Easy and done. I love great tasty tacos, but the last thing I want is to get inside a very hot taco. This Windshield Sunshade 100% sunblock 4th generation cooling tech is a foldable heat insulation front window sunshade with a storage bag. It is specifically made for the Toyota Tacoma, both 3rd and 4th generations. You can unfold it with ease and use the Velcro to secure it around your rear view mirror. And I have to say, it does keep my taco cool. The window tint helps, but this really helps. The other thing is that you can easily fold it up and secure it when not in use. What do you think about these 10 simple mods for your Toyota Tacoma? Have they worked for you? Let me know down in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.